Today I will teach you how to add a product in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Once you've entered, we can start adding the product. Go to the Customer module on the left side. Click the Customer module. After clicking, two categories will appear, namely Trading and Services. Click Trading. After clicking the Trading category, another set of modules will appear. One of these modules is Product List. Click Product List. After clicking it, click the plus button above to add product. Now at this section we will start adding the details about the product. It includes the product's name, selling price, cost price, the suppliers or vendors of the product, its current quantity, and its status. After inputting all the information that is needed, click the Create button. Now a piece of information will appear in the screen that informs the user that the action that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.